Yeah, I have to try without.
Are you filming?
The consistency is
Weird.
weird.
Yeah.
Like a pudding. Okay. Okay. Oh my god. I wanna squeeze, not squeeze, but close my nose and my fingers are full with this shit.
I'll have some more, yeah.
Is it good? You liking it?
I don't know what to say. It smells like, you know, together like onions, garlic, all
Eggs.
all eggs, and the pēcgarš.
Aftertaste.
Aftertaste. It's interesting.
Interesting.
Try one. I wanna. Here I can wash. Because I wanna try how it is without.
Take.
No.
Take.
Sweet, actually. It's sweet. I mean,
And
the
you
one.
stick your nose also.
Yes, so I can eat it.
I think this is better.
Yes.
How to try?
It's actually very, very sweet. The one I
Try.
had was the one I had was not dry at all. The one I had
And it was
in
sweet.
Bangkok, it was not sweet at all.
Try. Close your
No.
nose.
No, thank you.
If you don't smell it, it's actually very nice.
I want to sleep nice.
And it's almost like, you know, the consistency is like pudding.
Oh my god. This is making history.
Yeah.
But without, yeah, smelling, it's better. I can eat. Otherwise, I can go.
Don't puke. That's okay. You prove that you are tough enough. You can leave it the other one.
You wanna try one?
It's actually nice.
Take another one. I took two here. With the water.
Someone has to finish this.
You?
Bravo.
Don't smell it yet.
Stop it. If you can.
You need
No,
to
no.
put it in a smoothie with something which smells nice.
The idea is not to get, not for you to feel bad about it.
No. Actually, when you close your nose, it's all good.
It's very, it's sweet.
It's very
like a
sweet.
sweet fruit. I don't know, but you can compare it to banana maybe, but it's just more creamy.
It was really ready. I saw it. It was so yellow.
Right, yes.
Alright, yeah.
Okay, finish it. Finish it.
Nu, suka kauliņu. Garšīgs, ne?
Crazy.
Superfood. Viņam ir ļoti daudz kaut kas, ne?
Uh-huh.
No more?
No more.
Bravo.
What's this? Kāds viņam tas kauliņš?
You made it happen.
Oh fuck, it smells so bad.
Nāc, nofilmē šito kauliņu. Kāds viņam ir?
It was inside.
It's nice actually. I thought it would be worse.
Still alive.
It will.
Okay,
Yummy.
well done.
Yeah.
Bravo.
Woo.